Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review slash first impressions slash holiday makeup tutorial on the new Fenty holiday collection that she just came out recently, maybe a couple of days ago. This is the box that it came in. It's very, pretty gold. The theme of this holiday collection is dedicated to the Trophy Wife highlighter that she came out. That was her first highlighter that she came out with a couple of years ago when she first launched her line, and it was the wave for the longest time. So for her to have come out with a whole collection dedicated to it was really nice. This is the bag that it comes with, which is absolutely beautiful. I love this bag. I saw it in stores and wanted it just for this bag because it holds so much. And all the products are in it. So it comes with the Trophy Wife, of course, It's dedicated to this highlighter, so it comes with a full-size Trophy Wife highlighter. Beautiful. It comes with the Gloss Bomb. You gotta have some Gloss Bomb. Everyone loves their Gloss Bomb. It's probably one of my favorite glosses of all time. So for her to have come out with a Trophy Wife Gloss Bomb is pretty cool. It comes with a Trophy Wife liner, which is nice. And then last but not least, it comes with a Trophy Wife lipstick. Swatching it, it seems like it's a little bit sheer, metallic-y, very shimmery. So we'll see how that looks throughout the video. If you guys are interested in how I created this holiday makeup look using the new Fenty holiday collection, just keep watching. So of course the first thing I'm going to do is prime my lids, and I'm just going to use my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. And I'm just going to take my finger and just blend it out. And then the first color I'm going to go into is with the ABH Norvina collection. This is the mini palette. And I'm just going to go in with this yellow shade, A3, in the Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2. And now blending it pretty much all the way up to my brow because of my hooded eyes. And then I'm going to take this green color right here, A2 from the same palette, and I'm going to apply that in the outer V and blend it up to the crease. Again, just swinging that out a bit and doing the same thing. I'm patting the color onto my outer V, blending it into the crease, and then swooping it out. And I'm using this light green as a nice base for when I go in with that darker green. It just helps everything blend much more smoothly. Alright, and now that we got those two transition shades nice and blended in there, I'm going to go in with this green, and this one is B1 in the palette, and I'm just going to pack that on to, again, the outer V area. And I'm just going to really pack that color in first into that outer V area. And then once I get the pigmentation that I want, then I'm going to start blending. And I'm just blending it out to make that nice wing shape. I love the wing shape. It really elongates my eyes. I'm just going to go back in and really reinforce that color again. And then you're just going to keep repeating the steps, packing on the color, blending, packing on the color, blending. And then I'm just going to go back again in with that first green transition shade that we used and just really blend the edges of that green out. And then again going back in with that yellow to blend it out even more. You want to get that nice gradient effect. And then I'm just going to again repeat those same steps on the other eye. And then I'm just going to go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer in the shade 22. I'm using this very light shade to cut the crease. And then I'm just going to go in with this Morphe M421 brush to do it. And when I cut the crease, I like to first put it on the bottom of my lid like so. Look up and it's going to give me like where my crease ends. And then you just go from there. And then now that we got our lids nice and creased, I'm going to switch palettes and go in with my Norvina Pro Pigment mini palette in volume 1. And I'm going to go in with this like very light gold shade right here. This one right here, and this is A2. And I'm just going to take a simple flat shader brush. And I'm just going to pack this on the lid like so. And then I'm just going to take this smudger brush right here and I'm just going to go back in with A2 from the volume 2 palette and I'm going to just blend the edges out. And now that we got, you know, the eyes done, we're going to be going into the star of the show. And I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Trophy Wife. And I'm going to be putting that right over the shimmer shade in my halo eye. So I'm just going to go in with this Wet n Wild flat shader brush. And I'm going to again pack that right on just to give it an extra bit of pizzazz. I'm really enjoying how like green and like golden, like festive this is right now. I think it looks so pretty and gives it like an extra bit of, you know, glam. And I'm just using this small pencil brush and going back in with that really deep Christmas green shade from the Norvina palette and just reinforcing that cut crease to make it look nice and crisp. And then I'm going to be going in with the Fenty glitter from the holiday collection. There's no like shade name. Oh, it's Trophy Wife. The whole thing is Trophy Wife, duh. And the tip of it is really thin, so this should be really easy to work with. And I'm just going to just lightly draw my glitter line. Again, giving it just a little bit more pizzazz. Alright, now that we got our little glitter line on our face, it's time for a little bit of mascara. And you all know I just absolutely despise mascara, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be putting mascara on. And then I'm just going to do a top coat of my roller lash. I lied, with my It Lash Blowout Mascara from the collaboration that It Cosmetics did with Dry Bar. Alright, so I did pretty much my entire shadow. I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do my base, my brows, and then put on my lashes, and I will be right back. Now for underneath my lash line, I just went in with the Anastasia Carly Bible palette, and I just went in with the shade Steve right here, and I just ran that underneath my waterline and just blended it out. You know, I just love that. I think it gave me that very cranberry, like Christmassy color that I love. I think it just looks really perfect with this look. And then for inner corner highlight, I went in with my, again, Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I went into the shade Marshmallow right here and just pop that in the inner corners and around the brow bone. Now guys, back to the star of the show. I'm just going to use, again, the Fenty Trophy Wife highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight my face. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M5 1.0 brush, and I'm going to just highlight these cheekbones, keeping it nice and glowy and festive and glam. So this highlighter definitely isn't an everyday highlighter at all whatsoever, but I think like in person and on camera it looks stunning. It's gonna look stunning in pictures. If you're like maybe my complexion or darker, this is absolutely stunning for pictures, on camera, and in film. If you were to like look at me like, you know, up close in person, like when I'm looking at myself in the mirror right now, I definitely see like golden. This isn't a natural highlight at all. It's very golden. It's very glam. It's very like festive. It's beautiful, and you know, she's known for her you know, Fenty Trophy Wife. It's just it just is what it is. Everyone wants it, everyone needs it, everyone loves it, and it's just that. As we know, it comes with 2 lip products. It comes with her gloss bomb, her famous gloss bomb in the Trophy Wife, and then it comes with her, what is this? It's just like a lipstick, or it's like a lip balm. It's like a glowing lip balm. Let's see if I can get a good swatch, or if you can like see it at all. I don't know. It seems very sheer, very buttery. This isn't a long-lasting formula at all. Like clearly, it's gonna, you know, it's probably gonna rub off very easily, and it's not kiss-proof, one, that's for sure. So I'm gonna give it a try. Let me just wipe this gunk off of my lips real quick with a wipe, and we'll proceed with the trying. Yeah, this is very sheer. It does give a nice like golden glow to your lips, but it's definitely, you know, not like 100% my cup of tea. I don't think this is something I would necessarily wear every day, or like ever, to be honest. It's pretty. It's very creamy. It doesn't feel really grainy. It's very metallic-y. If you like a metallic like sheer lips balm, I couldn't even call this a lipstick. It's more like, I guess, a lip balm. If you like that more like sheer metallic lip balm, this will be good for you, especially like this golden shade. Again, this would be absolutely gorgeous on like a more deeper skin tone. But for me, I mean, it looks nice on camera, but I'm not getting the effect that I like. You know, I love my big, plump, juicy lips, and I'm not getting this with that. So So I'm going to wipe this off and I'm going to show you the gloss bomb on my lips. I mean, it's the formula is the same, of course. It's an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, creamy, buttery, glossy formula. It's just the color just isn't my cup of tea. Like, as a topper, it'd be beautiful over like maybe a more like yellowy, orangey, brownish nude lip, but but on its own, maybe not for me. Again, for a more deeper skin tone, it would be absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. I had to, you know, switch out my lip. I have to go to a nude lip. That's just my thing. It's just my thing. I probably should have done something a little bit more festive, but no. So, alright, for my review on the new Fenty Holiday Collection. So, the highlighter, classic. You can never go wrong with it. I personally couldn't use it as a regular, you know, highlighter unless I'm, you know, going out, taking pictures, being super, super glam. Whatever, this isn't an everyday highlighter for me, but I did love it as a shadow, so this is, I guess, an A+ for me. The liner, I did like the liner a lot. I think it did a very nice job, you know, doing my little cut crease. It was easy to work with, and I suck at any type of liner, so this was an A+. The lips, on the other hand, they weren't my cup of tea. This was too sheer. It just looked kind of weird on me. It was too metallic-y. It's just not my cup of tea. Like I said, this would be beautiful on a more darker complexion, but again, not for me. And the gloss, it's pretty. It's not like, the formula is amazing, just like the other three actually, just like the other three glosses, but I actually would prefer the other three than this one. The other three are more of my cup of tea. They're more of the, you know, the pinkies, the nudes, or the everyday, the clear glosses. This isn't, again, everyday for me, but it can be an everyday for somebody else. This bag, I love the bag. Look how big it is. Like, you could probably fit your whole, like, makeup in there. Your whole daily makeup in this bag. It's so big. It's so, like, pretty. It's so, the metallic, it's so luxurious looking. Like, you just have this, like, on a stand. I mean, you see fingerprints all over it right now. That's not cute, but yeah. So, I mean, I'll give this, you know, a good review for the quality. Fenty, she's amazing. I love her. Like, she always goes out for every collection that she does, and she just does no wrong. And I love her line and her inclusivity and just everything about her. She's just amazing. So that's all for my review slash first impressions, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think. Let me know what kind of glam holiday makeup look you guys are doing. If you're going to be recreating this one, please leave a comment. Send me a picture, you know. I want to see it all. Like I said, I want to see them all. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!